Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Lisa wakes up early on Saturday morning. She is hungry and wants breakfast. Her parents are still sleeping. Lisa goes to the kitchen. She opens the fridge and looks inside. She sees eggs, milk, and butter. I want boiled eggs, Lisa thinks. She takes 2 eggs from the fridge. Lisa finds a small pot in the cupboard. She fills the pot with water. She puts the pot on the stove. Lisa turns on the stove. She waits for the water to boil. The water starts to bubble. Lisa carefully puts the eggs in the water. She uses a big spoon to lower them. Lisa looks at the clock on the wall. She needs to wait 10 minutes. While she waits, she makes toast. She puts bread in the toaster. The 10 minutes pass quickly. Lisa turns off the stove. She takes the eggs out of the water. She puts them in cold water to cool. Lisa peels the eggs carefully. She puts the eggs and toast on a plate. She adds a little salt. Lisa sits at the table and eats her breakfast. The eggs taste delicious. Her mother comes into the kitchen. "Did you make breakfast alone?" she asks. "Yes, I boiled the eggs myself," Lisa says proudly. Her mother smiles and gives her a hug. Lisa is happy that she can cook now.
Learn with LingoStories.app.